Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anna, the AI assistant, who is hosting this Collaborate session for Week 4. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey into one of the most mysterious and essential aspects of human life: sleep. If you've ever wondered why we spend a third of our lives in this seemingly passive state, you're not alone. Sleep has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and poets for centuries. But modern neuroscience is beginning to unravel its mysteries, and what we're discovering is nothing short of extraordinary. As Sir Charles Sherrington once said, the brain is an enchanted loom, weaving the threads of our thoughts, memories, and emotions. During sleep, this loom doesn't stop. It shifts into overdrive, performing tasks that are vital for our health, cognition, and emotional well-being. Let's explore how sleep shapes our brains, what happens when we don't get enough of it, and why it's so crucial for our lives. Why do we sleep? Let's start with a fundamental question. Why do we sleep? Despite decades of research, scientists are still piecing together the full answer. However, one thing is clear: sleep is a biological necessity. Every species on Earth, from insects to mammals, requires sleep, indicating its critical role in survival. Sleep isn't just about rest. Think of your brain as a busy office. During the day, it processes an overwhelming amount of information: emails, meetings, and sticky notes piling up on the desk. By night, the office is in chaos. Sleep is when the janitorial staff comes in. They organize files, discard unnecessary clutter, and prepare the office for another productive day. Without this nightly cleanup, the brain's efficiency and health begin to deteriorate. Sleep deprivation studies have shown just how essential sleep is. After only 24 hours without sleep, cognitive performance plummets. Mood worsens, attention wanes, and decision-making becomes impaired. Long-term sleep deprivation can even be fatal. It's not just about feeling groggy the next day. It's about ensuring the brain and body function at their best. The architecture of sleep. Sleep is far from a uniform state. It's composed of distinct stages, each serving unique functions for the brain and body. Let's break it down. Non-rapid eye movement, NRM, sleep. Stage 1. This is the transition from wakefulness to sleep. It's a light stage of sleep lasting only a few minutes. Brain waves begin to slow, and you may experience the sensation of falling, often accompanied by a sudden muscle jerk called a hypnic jerk. Stage 2. This stage constitutes about 50% of our total sleep time. Brain activity slows further, but there are bursts of rapid brain activity called sleep spindles and large, sudden waves known as K-complexes. These features are believed to play a key role in consolidating memories and maintaining sleep stability. Stage 3. Slow wave sleep, or SWS. This is the deepest stage of NREM sleep, dominated by slow, high-amplitude delta waves. Slow wave sleep is crucial for physical restoration, including tissue repair and immune system strengthening. Rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. REM sleep is the stage where dreaming occurs. The brain becomes highly active, resembling its waking state, but the body remains paralyzed, a protective mechanism that prevents us from acting out our dreams. REM sleep is critical for emotional regulation, creativity, and the consolidation of procedural memories, like learning to ride a bike. The sleep cycle repeats approximately every 90 minutes, with NREM stages dominating the first half of the night, and REM sleep becoming more prominent in the later hours. Memory consolidation, the brain's filing system. One of the most critical functions of sleep is its role in memory consolidation. During the day, your brain is inundated with information, facts, experiences, and sensory input. Sleep is when the brain decides what to keep and what to discard. Slow wave sleep, SWS. During deep sleep, the hippocampus, a structure critical for memory formation, replays recent experiences. This activity transfers information to the neocortex, where it is integrated into long-term memory. This process is especially important for declarative memories, such as remembering facts or events. REM sleep. While SWS strengthens factual memories, REM sleep fosters creativity and problem-solving by connecting new information with existing knowledge. This is why we often wake up with solutions to problems or fresh perspectives on challenges. The glymphatic system. Cleaning the brain. Beyond memory, sleep serves as a cleaning mechanism for the brain. During the day, normal brain activity generates metabolic waste products, including beta amyloid, a protein associated with Alzheimer's disease. The glymphatic system, active primarily during sleep, flushes out these toxins by circulating cerebrospinal fluid through the brain. Interestingly, the brain's interstitial spaces expand by up to 60% during sleep, allowing for more efficient waste removal. Think of the glymphatic system as your brain's nightly janitorial crew, ensuring the environment remains clean and functional. Without adequate sleep, these waste products build up, contributing to cognitive decline and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Emotional regulation and mental health. Sleep doesn't just affect cognition, it's also essential for emotional stability. During REM sleep, the brain processes emotional experiences, integrating them into our memories and helping us cope with stress. This is why a good night's sleep often leaves us feeling calmer and more balanced. Conversely, sleep deprivation heightens emotional reactivity, making small problems seem insurmountable. It also increases the risk of mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Chronic sleep loss disrupts the brain's amygdala and prefrontal cortex, impairing our ability to regulate emotions and respond to challenges. The consequences of sleep deprivation. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? The effects are both immediate and long-term. Cognitive impairments. Sleep deprivation reduces focus, attention, and problem-solving abilities. Even missing one night of sleep can significantly impair performance. Memory deficits. Chronic sleep loss affects the hippocampus, impairing the formation of new memories. Emotional dysregulation. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to experience irritability, anxiety, and even impulsive behavior. Health risks. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to obesity, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and weakened immune function. Increased risk of Alzheimer's. Disrupted sleep prevents the glymphatic system from effectively clearing beta amyloid, contributing to the development of Alzheimer's disease. Sleep through the lifespan. Our sleep needs and patterns evolve throughout life. Infants and children. Babies spend up to 50% of their sleep in REM, supporting rapid brain development. Children need about 10-12 hours of sleep for optimal growth and learning. Teenagers. Adolescents require 8 to 10 hours of sleep, but societal pressures like early school start times often lead to chronic sleep deprivation. Adults. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Unfortunately, work, family responsibilities, and lifestyle choices often interfere. Older adults. Sleep becomes lighter and more fragmented with age, but the need for quality sleep remains the same. The future of sleep research. As technology advances, so does our understanding of sleep. Wearable devices are providing new insights into sleep patterns, and researchers are developing interventions to improve sleep quality for people with disorders like insomnia and PTSD. Understanding the molecular and neural mechanisms of sleep may even lead to treatments that mimic its benefits, though nothing will replace the real thing. As we come to the end of the presentation, sleep is far from passive. It is an active, dynamic process that plays a critical role in maintaining brain health emotional stability, and overall well-being. As we uncover more about its functions, one thing is clear. Prioritizing sleep is one of the best things you can do for your brain and body. So tonight, when you lie down to sleep, remember, your brain's enchanted loom is preparing to weave the threads of your life, stitching together memories, emotions, and insights. Sweet dreams, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Please join us next week for Collaborate Session 5. Have a great week.